Alright, so as they clear that, I will tell you there is one other fantastic showcase opportunity we have. It is the night before the Fringe Festival launches. It is Wednesday, July 29. It happens at Bedlam Theater. It is our out-of-towner showcase. And it's a really awesome opportunity to get a chance to check out the out-of-town companies that come in. We've got 25 or 30 companies coming in from outstate Minnesota and across the country and across the world. So it is an awesome chance. If you, by any chance, have a spare bedroom, you, yes you, could have one of those sexy out-of-town artists living at your house. So if you find that strangely exciting, go to our website, because there are options to billet out-of-town artists, and seriously, it would be a fabulous way to get involved in the Fringe. So there. Alright, next we have Freebird Productions. Yes, exactly, it is a fantastic opportunity. Freebird Productions doing Stalled, an elevator story. Elevator, noun, a metal cage transports between two somewheres. But what if it stalls? Find out in this comedy as 7 unlucky strangers await rescue. Sometimes nowhere is exactly where you're supposed to be. Stalled.
The elevator is stale. Stalled. They're stalled. Elevator stalled. It's stalled. No need to thank me, it's okay.
Yeah. No. Oh. No, we've gone over this before.
Elevator.
No, I can't change anything about it at this point. You've already signed the contract.
Elevator stalled.
I understand that it's an inconvenience
I don't know if I want to be a musician or actress because some people just can't do both.
No,
like Mandy Moore, she was a musician.
You've signed the contract.
And let's be honest, she can't do anything.
I know. Like, so do you want me to bring along to this? Do you want me to call my lawyer?
Elevator stalled.
I'll see you in court. What?
Elevator stalled.
No. Is there another elevator in the building?
Nope.
Well, I have a meeting in 5 minutes. I need to get to. Is there any?
Stairs.
Where?
That way.
Thank you.
Honey, I am not taking the stairs in these heels. Okay, sorry, I'm waiting for this really slow elevator. I know, it's taking forever.
What if we were in the elevator?
So that's what I was thinking. And like, it wouldn't really matter.
Would we jump?
This really weird girl is
climb out the ceiling. What would we do? Would there be like a strong man in there and bust down the walls?
I don't know if she's
What if Harry Potter was in there?
She's talking about Harry Potter.
Swish
Yeah, she's totally gonna dress up for the premiere. I know. Like,
what do we do?
yeah, I just don't know.
Yeah, there's no staircase over there. Thanks for nothing.
Yeah, the elevator's still stalled.
Okay, apparently the elevator is stalled. Yeah. I don't know what that means either. Wait, what? Taylor Swift is where? Oh my god, she is such a bitch. Okay, come pick me up now. Oh my god.
Elevator stalled. Stalled.